Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk mainly about the whole situation surrounding the pitting them in a school and how them are going bad and how teachers are fear for them life and all that kind of foolishness. But before I go into that, people, I want to talk about the situation concerning another JDF soldier coming home, come catch another man in the yard with him woman. People, at this point I might as well retire from YouTube and just go become some kind of card reader or psychic or something like that. Because how many times have I said it? Anytime you see a case going on in Jamaica, especially a case will make big headline news, just give it a couple of days and you will see an exact case come up like it again. You will see a copycat case 2-3 days down the road. Happens time and time again. Now, people, before I go into the teachers and the bad pitting them in a school, let me tell you why JDF soldiers are prone to having things like this happen to them. Right? Fun and joke aside, I'm going to let you know a little secret. It's not really a secret. If you're reading the streets like that, you really know, you know this. Or even if you're just a good observer, you'll know this. The same type of women that are attracted to 87s are the same type of women that are attracted to soldiers and police. Let me say it again. The same type of women who are attracted to 87s are the same type of women who are attracted to JDF soldiers and police. Now, some of them are proper kerosene oils, as in highly legal machine, but some of them they don't actually commit crimes, but their intentions and their thoughts are similar to the kerosene. See, they love men who are in roles that is riddled with danger, and that danger turns them on. That danger gets them excited, right? This is why I said from a psychological point of view, the same woman who lost off a JDF soldier is the same woman who lost off a 87. And the reality is, a lot of these women, especially the younger ones, who lost off a JDF soldiers and 87s, are basically what Jamaican people call careless women, right? And coming like some clothespin. If you squeeze their head, their foot open, right? Now the problem is, enough JDF soldiers suffer from a scarcity mindset because they spend so much time away from home, because they're constantly on the move. The first thing they come across that look like a good thing, them ready for throw and wedding ring. The first girl will rub them down 2 times and give them a nice wine and show them a good time, right? Them throw on the ring, ready to make marriage, because that's the culture of the army as well. The army encourages family, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing, but then we have to consider the culture we live in. We have to consider the culture we live in, and as I said before many times, take the world for what it is and not what you want it to be. Right? So now for these JDF soldiers, meet women are on the road red, right? But because the soldiers are encouraged to be family men and all of that, them throw on the ring on her finger, right? Gone on camp for 2-3 weeks at a time, and think that this girl, who was me say is a clothespin, anybody can squeeze her head and her foot open. I go to sit down our yard, I read our Bible, and I wait for him come home. Now here's the thing, people. The women who are attracted to enough soldiers and police and them money, they're not exactly attracted to the individual. They're attracted to the uniform, they're attracted to the job, they're attracted to the machine they carry. They're not really attracted to the man. Now, enough man, when them go certain place and them see a woman throw themselves on them, they mistake it for thinking, oh, she's in love with me. No. She's in love with the image. She's in love with the uniform. She's in love with the machine. She's in love with the danger. And if somebody else can give it to her, you best believe they will be giving it to her. People understand what I say? Now, the reason why this happens to JDF soldiers so frequently is because of one main thing. Time. Time waits for no man. See, JDF soldiers spend an unusually long time either on camp or away in the field, right? And this is normal for soldiers, whether it's the JDF, US Army, British Army, Canadian Army, wherever you are. This is just normal. Soldiers spend an extended period of time away from the home. Now, when this woman, right, who meet her soldier man, right, and she get titivated by his image and his looks and whatever, right, and she says, oh, him in shape and him have six pack and very, right. When him gone for 2-3 months or gone for some long extended period of time, it's very unlikely she go sit down and lock her foot them. Remember, she was attracted to you for the heat and the danger and the mystery and all of this. But if you're not there, guess what? It's very likely she's going to stray. That is the kind of culture we have. Come on, let's be realistic, right? So as soon as somebody whisper two things in her ears, it's very, very likely, brother, she's going to stray. So this is why JDF soldiers and soldiers all over the world will continue to come back from tours and operations, come catch man in bed. People, so the thing set, right? Now, I want you to understand something. I'm going to move into the teacher situation now, with the pitting them. People, I have teachers messaging me, telling me, say they're afraid for their life. Because if them even try to reprimand a student left school and go for them 87 friend, and then I wait for teachers outside of school and all kind of foolishness. People, I'm going to play a clip from the Minister of Education. And when you hear that clip, tell me if that clip don't sound like something you will hear Simple Simon say. Because he was basically trying to claim that there is no real problem in schools concerning teachers and pitney what put teachers' life in a danger. He's saying it's just, because of social media, people are exaggerating. So I'm going to play a clip of the Minister of Education, and then I'm going to give you my views on how we should deal with these pitney and how this thing even really get fostered and nurtured in Jamaica. Listen up, people.
Social media has made the problem look as if it is overwhelming us. The fact is it's not. I just let them be today, where I spoke at the Jamaica Day. They don't have any occurrences of this kind. The students are well behaved. Everybody is just, a wonderful and refreshing and healthy environment is what I engaged in today. So it is not as wide scale because you do. I got this video this morning at about 7 o'clock, and everywhere I went today, somebody was quoting or was reflecting on it. The same video circulating all over the island.
No, I don't know about you, but I was expecting the Minister of Education, somebody who should be in the know, to come out and say, you know what, this is not a problem because of the, say for example, of the 300 schools in Jamaica, 295 of them have never had any instances of teacher rush students or nothing like that. Or students rush teachers. Right? 295 out of 300 is not dealing with this, so therefore there is no real issue. Right? It's being blown out of proportion. Right? That is what I was expecting. I was expecting some numbers, some evidence, something that sounds like somebody actually took some time to do some research. Instead, the Minister of Education said this is not really a big thing because he just went to Denby. And when him go Denby, all him sees a nice environment. Because he went there for Jamaica Day and they don't have that happening at Denby. Hold on. Mr. Minister, what do you think that going to happen when the Minister of Education turn up? You think the school was going to put their worst foot forward? You think the school was going to have a list of bad things that happen and go tell you? Everybody going to put them best foot forward when the minister come. And furthermore, even if it now happen at Denby, how does that mean it's not an issue for Jamaica? People, these are your leaders, That is called Samuda's argument, It's not a major issue in Jamaica because him just go Denby and it now go on at Denby. That is the man argument. The man completely outshines Simple Simon to the point that I can't even use Simple Simon gone and leave right now. Right? But just hope Sam the gone and one JDF man wife yard because we might not see him again. Right? The man take over from Simple Simon. The man argument is listen. This is our social media, right? Because just go Denby and minister Denby. You don't go Denby, so that means there's no issue. That's his argument. Whoa. That's incredible. Now, Serpy, go for the ball in Pitney. For me, it's real simple. We don't even have to stay long on this. You can't be a schoolers and a 87. You're either a schoolers or a 87. You can't be a schoolers and a kerosene oil. You're either a schoolers or a kerosene oil. If them Pitney want to act like 87, they're going to have to start getting treated like 87. As simple as that. They can't get the best of both worlds. They can't get to behave like an 87, but they can't get rough up like how we rough up on 87. No, make up on the mind. Yeah, 87, alright, start get 87 treatment. But we know the different groups are going to start ball out. Lord have mercy, people wicked. Lord have mercy. Like he's only 17, Lord have mercy. Listen, a machine can't tell the difference between whether it's been squeezed by a 17-year-old or a 30-year-old, you know. Let me tell this again. Jamaica. A machine can't tell the difference whether it is being squeezed, the trigger is being squeezed by a 17-year-old or a 30-year-old. It can't tell the difference. Right? So from your body, you're bad. So once a youth in a school are going like, I go feed 87 friend them and I stand up outside a school gate for ambush teacher. They'll go start dealing with him like a 87. Well, let me just add this out there. People, a mango tree will never bear apple. A mango tree will never bear apple. Serpy, what do you mean? These children you see in Jamaica, these unruly children, these violent children, they're fruits. They're fruits of the tree that is Jamaica. How would they be peaceful? Is Jamaica a peaceful country? Are Jamaican adults peaceful? Why would they negotiate and talk out their differences? Do Jamaican adults negotiate and talk out their differences? These children are coming from homes, from communities, from cities, from a country that is brutish in nature. Why would they be any different? These children are just the mango fruit them look on. Like when you have a mango tree in the yard and look on the mango. That's what we're looking at. These Pitney, them are the mango. But all them do are get beer by the tree that is Jamaica. They can't come out combine better. The society that they live in, this is what they see. This is what they learn. This is what them seeing at them yard. On a day-to-day basis. I don't know what we're expecting of them, but we think a country where we have 1,300, 1,400 people that get living every single year is going to produce nice, soft, well-spoken and disciplined children. People, get a grip on yourself. Patreon squad, wake up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video. Bless.